जी बाबा. My name is Keval Shah. I am student of fifth class at primary school Abhibaks Jatai. In the 10th year of Hijrah, the Prophet together with his followers went to perform Hajj at Makkah. On this historical occasion, he addressed a very large gathering of Muslims on month Arafat. This address proved to be his last Hajj sermon. He once again repeated the message of Islam. He said, "There is no God except Allah." He said, "The only God. None shares his authority and power." He fulfilled promise, and he promised his prophet against the forces of evil. O people, listen to me carefully. We may not have the opportunity to meet again in such assembly after today. He quoted a very verse from the Holy Quran and said, "Allah is of made. He created you from a male and a female, and made you into tribes and nations, so is to be known one from the other, and in the eyes of Allah the most righteous is the most honorable among you. I am light of
in the
light of this very
verse
1.
No Arab is superior
to a non-Arab,
nor is a
white man in any way better than a black man. Only the goodness of a person make him superior to others. The whole of humanity is the offspring of Adam, and Adam was created from dust. I therefore crush under my feet all the false claims to greatness and superiority founded on blood or wealth. He further said, "People, a Muslim is another Muslim's brother, and all the Muslims are brother among themselves." Finally, he said, I have given you the message.
I have given you message.
Giving you the message of Allah. I am leaving you among things which will guide you if you act according to it. You will only book of Allah. Although the Prophet, peace be upon him, no more with us, we have the us we should read it daily and try to understand what it picks up. We make a habit of writing according to its teachings. We will very soon achieve our former greatness in the world.
तुझो नालो छा आहे पुट? तुझो नालो छा आहे? केवल? कंहिंजे पुट आहीं? किथे रहंदो आहीं? कहिड़े स्कूल में पढ़ंदो आहीं?
गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी हाई स्कूल लगभग चेते।
हाई स्कूल प्राइमरी स्कूल?
प्राइमरी स्कूल।
अच्छा, इम्तिहान तुंहिंजा कॾहिं? स्कूल में अॻियां पढ़ंदे?
जी भाउ।
कहिड़े स्कूल में? कहिड़े स्कूल में? शहर में?
जी शहर में।
तो ख़बर आहे कहिड़े स्कूल में पढ़ंदे? हाई स्कूल कहिड़ो? शहर वारो को बि हाई स्कूल? पर पक पढ़ंदे आहियां? होशियारु आहीं? पढ़जांइ मथां छॾे ॾींहुं पाण? भाई तो? प्रॉमिस? छॾिजांइ न पाण? ठीकु आहे।